Good morning and very big assalamu alaikum to all of you and welcome to Edville channel. Welcome back to your term 2 week 13. We are going to start our new term 2. This is our very first day, actually not first day. You have to follow this same uh, video for the rest of the 4 days also. So how is it going? How is everything? How are you now? Welcome back to your favorite class. Today we are going to have a wonderful activity. For that, you all need is a UHU stick, a white chart paper, a scissors, a pencil, oh my god, a pencil to draw a cloud, and a permanent marker to draw eyes and a face. And for that, you all need is the colored papers. I do have the 5 colors with me nowadays because I just have these colors I have gotten from the market. He was not having any other color. So we are going to draw a rainbow today. Let me show you a picture first that which kind of a rainbow you are going to draw. Let me find the picture. Yeah, I got it. So here is the video. Here is the picture. Here is the picture we are going to draw our rainbow. First of all, we are going to draw a cloud on a white chart paper. It shouldn't be the big cloud. Like I'm going to draw a cloud. Well, I can remove this. It's not necessary to draw. So this is a cloud. Oh my God, I have changed its shape. Actually, it should be circle one here, like a cloud. I drew a cloud. I am going to cut it. Well, you have seen, I'm going to stop showing the picture because I want you to see the full picture of me. So I am cutting the cloud. You should know that it should be a proper cutting for you, okay? I will clean it later. Right now I'm just having a rough cutting. So the shape of cloud has come. I need to give it a neat look. See, a cloud has been made. This is a cloud. Look, I have made a cloud. What I'm going to do is to make its eyes and its face, a small cloud. Now I will be having these papers. I am going to cut their strips, not too wide and not too thin. They should be of 1 inch, yeah, of your this fingertip. I hope that they all are straight. Now, if I'll go to the market now, I will definitely bring the scale. And what else I do not have? One more thing I do not have related to stationery. I have gotten these strips with me like this. Alhamdulillah, they are not too bad. what I am going to do is now I will be holding a cloud from front side, and then I am going to paste these strips here. Okay. See, I am going to paste. I'm going to have this with me, and I will be using this as a help. And it should be like this, okay? Oh, no, not like this, actually, like this. See? One strip. Second strip. I hope that we should be needing more strips. Third one. Fourth one. We need to apply more glue sticks so they could not come out. Fourth one. Fifth one. Do you need more strips? I think so, yes. I will be having 5 more strips for it. So the cloud should, the rainbow should look big, full. Here are they. I am going to apply them. I'm going to do the same method. Okay, this one, 1, 2, 3. I will show you the complete look, okay? Because I have kept them on the table. Oh no, they would be near. I should have to apply it here. Wait, class. I need to make some changes because here is the complete rainbow of yours. Look how lovely it is. Do you like it? So this is the rainbow making a cloud with 5 different or 7 different. It's up to you. How many colors do you get from the market? Apply them and make a nice and colorful rainbow. Good luck for your project. Try to make it. Try to tell it to your kids. And this is your kind of rainbow. You can make it anything. Okay. Take care of you. It's a very simple activity. I hope you will do it well. Allah Hafiz class.